Hey Wesley, this is Thomas. I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S320 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, this little device saves you so much money.
And I have static-free Bluetooth. I am beyond grateful for his help, and the product is amazing. I love it. It is worth every penny. I was researching to see if it was possible to hook up Bluetooth to my 2006 S500 Mercedes Benz. I had been disappointed several times trying out the cheaper versions that were full of static. I had been told by my Mercedes Benz Mechanic that it would be costly to add on an upgraded part to my radio and not easy to do. He also said it would not be perfect. I kept researching and found the Gizmo Guy Gadgets and read all the reviews. I was hesitant, but I did purchase the Bluetooth product. I also reached out to Wesley by phone. I received a call back from him. I had a few questions, and he was so helpful. Well, I installed my product, and it was a little staticky. So I called Wesley and advised him the way I installed and that I had a problem with finding the proper radio station. Wesley was so helpful. He sent me 2 videos to watch. Wesley answered all my questions, and I have static-free Bluetooth. I am beyond grateful for his help, and the product is amazing. I love it! It is worth every penny. I am not a tech-savvy person. If I can do the hookup, anyone can. Try it. You will love it. Thanks so much, Wesley. Gail Briggs.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.